To start with, a rollover IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to transfer funds from a previous employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k, into an IRA. ETRADE is a popular online brokerage firm that offers rollover IRA services. The first step in the process is to open a rollover IRA account with ETRADE, which can be done online or over the phone. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you will need to initiate the rollover process. This typically involves contacting your previous employer or plan administrator and requesting that they distribute the funds from your old 401k plan to your new rollover IRA. It is essential to ensure that the funds are transferred directly from the old plan to the new IRA, as this will help you avoid any potential tax penalties. ETRADE will provide you with instructions and forms to complete the transfer. When choosing investments for your rollover IRA, consider your overall financial goals and risk tolerance. ETRADE offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. It is also crucial to understand the fees associated with your rollover IRA. ETRADE charges various fees, such as maintenance fees, trading fees, and management fees. Be sure to review the fee schedule carefully to avoid any unexpected costs. Another key consideration is the required minimum distribution rules. Once you reach the age of 72, you will be required to take minimum distributions from your rollover IRA each year. ETRADE will provide you with information on how to calculate and take these distributions. In conclusion, rolling over a 401k to an ETRADE IRA can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. By understanding the process, choosing the right investments, and being aware of the fees and rules, you can make the most of your retirement savings. It is always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure that you are making the best decisions for your individual circumstances. With the right guidance and planning, you can enjoy a secure and prosperous retirement.